Hey, happy Friday. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to give a quick update on where we left off on my last video. I've been having a lot of friends and clients reach out to me just to check in to see what is going on with everything. Stuff is changing within the real estate market, home values, stocks, and interest rates. They're changing just about on a daily basis right now. And so there's just been a lot of movement going on. But I wanted to give you an update of where we are as of today, Friday, in Southern California. So as far as home prices, I'm still not seeing home prices majorly decrease right now. I think in some part of the United States that's a little bit different, but as far as Southern California as a whole, I am not seeing major price decreases. If anything, I'm seeing homes continue to stay on the market a little bit longer than they did a month ago, and I'm seeing less demand for homes. So if you are a buyer right now and looking to make an offer and buy a house in today's market, you are probably one of the only offers that the seller is negotiating with and entertaining, versus a month ago there was probably 5, 6, 7 plus offers on the property. So with that, if you are the only offer on that property with a seller that's trying to sell their home, there's sometimes, depending on the situation and the price range that you're looking and purchasing, there is sometimes some slight price advantage for that, but nothing majorly. And most importantly, you're going to get your offer accepted potentially. If you were looking to purchase in the last 3 months, you probably had a hard time getting your offer accepted, and you're going against multiple offers, and you probably had to make offers on several properties, and it could have been tough. Today, this is where the opportunity is for a buyer. You're not necessarily going to get 20% off on the market value, but what you will do is you might get a slight discount by a couple thousand on the purchase price, and you'll get better terms, but most importantly, you'll get your offer accepted and you'll be able to buy a house. So that's the opportunity right now in today's market with if you're a buyer looking to purchase. Is that you're going to have more options, more homes are slightly, slowly coming on the market, and there's less buyers right now. That can change in any given day because, again, how volatile the overall market is. As far as interest rates, a quick update there. They are going up and down like crazy right now. I think 2 days ago, they went up 0.65, so almost 0.7%, that it went up in 1 day. And so interest rates are going up and down like crazy. Between myself and some of my lender friends that I'm communicating with, we think that over the next couple weeks, we foresee them to go down below 3.5% and closer to where they were 2 weeks ago, which is about 3.25%, and in some cases lower than that. I wouldn't be surprised if we see interest rates going back down there and staying there for a couple months. And yeah, so that's as far as interest rates. I also wanted to say regarding this, all this uncertainty in the market and with just what's going on in the world and in our country right now, I'm very surprised at how many people that I follow that are business people, financial people, that are saying to sell stocks and mutual funds in your retirement. I am very surprised by that. If you sell, you're going to realize the loss. So yes, the Dow Jones February 15th was over $29,000 a share. It's a good ballpark of how to compare not the real estate, but the stock market was $29,000 a share. Today it's just over $20,000. So it's gone down, what is that, roughly 30%. If you're somebody that can withhold and wait and you don't need the money right now, don't sell your stocks, don't sell your mutual funds or anything like that, because then you're just going to realize that loss and you won't be able to get that money back. So just very surprised on how many people, suitable people, that are encouraging everybody to sell everything right now. So I definitely wouldn't be selling in a down market if I had stocks, because they're down 30% on average right now than they were in the middle of February. And then I also wanted to remind everybody that we had a slight, I think what's going on in the market today is compared to what happened in 2001 with 9/11. We had a market that dramatically shifted overnight because of what happened on 9/11. Stocks went down, real estate went down, and just everything kind of froze like it is happening today. But what you don't see too many people talking about is that only lasted 56 days. The overall economy and the stock market rebounded 56 days after 9/11 happened. And obviously I'm speculating right now, but I would say that I'm betting on that this is something similar to what's going on in our economy, that what happened at 9/11. I wouldn't be surprised if stuff is rebounding during that same time, in about 2 months. So that's just my speculation. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, go ahead and comment below or send me a direct message, DMs, and I'll keep posting these videos as stuff happens on a weekly basis.